Hi everyone, welcome back to our Fashion Hub. If you're new here, my name is Jessica and today we're diving into the wonderful world of DIY hair masks and treatments. Whether you're looking to add moisture, repair damage, or boost growth, I've got 3 amazing recipes for you using ingredients you probably already have at home. So grab your mixing bowls and let's get started. First up, we have a hydrating avocado and honey mask. Avocado is rich in healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals that nourish your hair, while honey is a natural humectant that locks in moisture. This mask is perfect for dry and brittle hair. To make this mask, you'll need half an avocado and 2 tablespoons of honey. Mash the avocado in a bowl until it's smooth, then add the honey and mix well. You can use a fork or a blender to get a smooth consistency. Make sure there are no lumps left. Apply this mixture to damp hair, starting from the roots and working your way to the ends. Make sure every strand is coated. Then, cover your hair with a shower cap or a plastic wrap to keep the mask from drying out. Leave it on for about 30 minutes to allow the nutrients to penetrate deeply. While we're waiting, let's talk a little about the benefits of these ingredients. Avocado is not only great for your hair but also for your scalp. It contains vitamins B and E, which work at the cellular level to strengthen your hair. Honey, on the other hand, is fantastic for adding and retaining moisture, which is crucial for maintaining the elasticity and shine of your hair. After 30 minutes, rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner. You'll notice your hair feels incredibly soft and hydrated. This mask can be used once a week for the best results. Next, we have a strengthening banana and egg mask. Bananas are packed with potassium and vitamins that help strengthen your hair, while eggs provide the protein needed to repair and build hair fibers. Olive oil adds a boost of moisture and shine, making this mask ideal for weak or damaged hair. To make this mask, blend 1 ripe banana, 1 egg, and a tablespoon of olive oil until smooth. Make sure there are no lumps to avoid a messy application. If you don't have a blender, mashing the banana thoroughly with a fork works too. Just be patient and ensure it's as smooth as possible. Apply this mask to your hair, focusing on the roots and ends. You can section your hair to make the application easier and ensure that every part of your hair is covered. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. It's a great time to relax. Maybe read a book or listen to some music. Bananas are excellent for your hair because they contain silica, a compound that helps your body synthesize collagen and make your hair stronger and thicker. Eggs are a powerhouse of protein, which is essential for hair growth and repair. Olive oil not only moisturizes, but also has antioxidants that help keep your scalp healthy. When time's up, rinse the mask out with cool water to avoid cooking the egg, then follow up with your regular shampoo and conditioner. This mask can be used every 2 weeks to strengthen and nourish your hair. Lastly, we have a repairing coconut oil and yogurt mask. Coconut oil is well known for its ability to penetrate the hair shaft, reducing protein loss and repairing damage from within. Yogurt provides protein and lactic acid, which help to strengthen and smooth your hair. This mask is excellent for damaged or frizzy hair. For this mask, mix 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil with 3 tablespoons of plain yogurt until well combined. Make sure the coconut oil is fully melted to blend well with the yogurt. If your coconut oil is solid, just pop it in the microwave for a few seconds until it liquefies. Apply this mask evenly to your hair, paying special attention to the ends, which tend to be the most damaged. Cover your hair with a shower cap or plastic wrap to retain heat and enhance the mask's effectiveness. Leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Coconut oil is one of the few oils that can actually penetrate the hair shaft and prevent protein loss. It's especially good for people with dry or damaged hair. Yogurt not only provides a gentle cleanse but also contains lactic acid that helps to exfoliate the scalp, promoting healthier hair growth. Afterward, rinse thoroughly and shampoo as usual. This mask is gentle enough to be used once a week and will leave your hair feeling soft, shiny, and rejuvenated. And there you have it. 3 simple, effective DIY hair masks that you can make at home to keep your hair looking and feeling its best. Let's do a quick recap. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to hair care. Try to incorporate these masks into your routine regularly for the best results. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Also, leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a particular DIY treatment you want me to try next. Now, before I go, I want to remind you that taking care of your hair from the inside is just as important as what you put on the outside. Eating a balanced diet rich in vitamins and minerals, staying hydrated, and reducing stress can all contribute to healthier, stronger hair. So don't forget to take care of yourself holistically. Here are a few quick tips to keep your hair healthy. Avoid excessive heat styling, use a wide tooth comb to detangle wet hair, and try to limit washing your hair to 2 or 3 times a week to avoid stripping it of its natural oils. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope these DIY hair masks help you achieve your hair goals. If you have any favorite DIY recipes, share them in the comments below. Let's build a community of healthy hair enthusiasts. Until next time, stay beautiful and take care.